Hey guys, it's Courtney here in our tool lab, just about to do a test cut on some H13. So we're off to a good start on this project, so stay tuned to see the end results. I also wanted to let you all know that we are having a contest. So submit a picture or video using your favorite Fraisa tool along with the end product that you were creating with that tool. You could have a chance to win a $100 Visa gift card. So in order to do that, you need to submit it onto Facebook or LinkedIn using the hashtag FraisaInAction.